I'm 1, 2, 3 fat butts. Come along with me in my documenting and educational only channel. I'll walk you through my methods. Hopefully we'll have some fun along the way. Grummies, I'm just an old fart having fun in my 2x2 and my 3x3. How about that? Appreciate all ya. I really do. Heck, I even love ya.
Good morning, Grummy. Today is Wednesday, March the 4th. It's time to yank our little American gangster out of here and do another round of STS on her. Beans. Good for your heart. Yeah. She is day 1 of week 5 today. Not a pistol in sight. So I'm excited. Let's get after it. Back in a flash. Okie dokie. Here we go with another round of STS. Shake it up real good. Keep it refrigerated when you're not using it. Now, we're day 1 of week 5. But I'm going to go ahead and STS this other small lower branch here. Just for a little extra, something I can whack off later down the road and do a little tapping here and there. She is not in the flower yet, so it should take, even though that we're going into week 5. I'm very happy with this plant. Got 9 leaves up here. 7 leaves, 9 leaves, 5 leaves. Wonder how many she's going to end up with. Heck yeah, she's going to be a nice one, Grummies. Going to be a beautiful seed increase. Fingers crossed. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Oh, I've been having a hell of a time on my internet. Took like 4 or 5 hours to upload a little short yesterday. They are, I'm going to dump a little bit. They're upgrading the tower beside me. So my internet's all fucked up. God knows what this upgrade's going to do. Nowadays, upgrades, they scare the shit out of me. But it be what it be. I got mom hooks up on the dam. I just put a little bit in here. My damn cat's leaking. I got mom on a DVD. Now you gotta keep fucking with the TV. I just paint it on. I don't get none on. Try to not to get none on the bigger leaves. They just don't like it, man. They'll get all yellow and ugly on you. When you spray it, I've sprayed it. I sprayed cousin it and baby it. Like my first time trying this stuff. But I did 4 different strains at one time. Just painting one branch on my Blue Dream. And I created a pile of strains. Well, a seed increase on one and 3 new ones. But just painting one branch got it done. Hit all the stems. All the little stems on the leaf. The main stem, I hit them all. Now we'll let her dry out here after I get this done. And we'll go do a update and feed on everything in the grow room. I'm hitting this one real good because it hasn't been done at all. This is the first time for this one. One more time. One more time for good luck. Okie dokie. Let me spin her around. Okay. That was a bad move. That was the wrong fucking one, Grimmy. Let me spin her around. That was a boo-boo. Guess I won't be smoking none of this plant. That'd be alright. I have no shortage of smoke. It'll be okay, Buckley. Heck yeah, man. I can't believe this plant's doing so good. This is a fresh kill pot. I whacked that daggone strawberry cheesecake. Kept the pot moist. Kept it active. And planted right back into it. And that cheesecake did not do good at all. I was wondering if there was something screwed up with the soil or something. Yeah, you just get a dud every now and then. Because when I put the STS on that cheesecake, it went perfect. Yeah, I mean, it was a beautiful bend, everything. I was shocked to see her not grow any bigger than what she did. Definitely won't nothing wrong with the soil. This American gangster's loving it. I'm gonna turn her around a little bit so I can get the other side. I don't want to hear nobody crying about me being naked in front of the camera. I got one comment. Are you actually naked doing that? Something of the sorts. I ain't shy, motherfucker. I'll show you naked. Okie dokie. I think we'll call that a wrap on her. And I'm gonna get some feed mixed up. I'm gonna get some feed mixed up for the ladies inside. I'm in the grow room. I'm gonna switch that up a little bit. I'm just gonna do 1 tablespoon of tomato, vegetable, and herb, and 1 tablespoon of flour girl. I'm gonna leave the all-purpose out. And when I get everything fed up in the other room, I'm gonna pH it at 6.5, and I'll bring up whatever's left back out here, and I'll keep adding water to it, diluting it down until I get to the 6.2, and I'll go ahead and water her in with what's left of those nutrients, just for the hell of it. Waste not, want not. I don't think it's gonna hurt her any. Okay. Whew. On to the other ladies. We'll let her sit here. I'll pull you, let you get a look on the top. Yes, indeedy. I'm loving it. I'm loving it, Grammy. Back in a flash. Okay, dokie. Let me see what I got on this damn pH. Oh, 6.5 to 68.4. Good enough for me. Let me get this pH meter out the way here. I'll have a Marvin moment for sure if I don't. Of course, I'll rinse this off as soon as I'm finished. Oh, what we got on the cheese here? I haven't transferred my shit onto my calendar yet. I'm gonna flip it back here. Alright, the cheese is day 4 of week 12. And I give her a 3/4 of a cup worm castings and some micos on the top before I give it this Dr. Earth liquid. I didn't use all-purpose this time because I wanted to give, a full tablespoon of the tomato, vegetable, and herb. She's still looking hungry. Of course, she is starting to getting close to the finishing time, so. And I'm gonna roll with it that way. Dr. Earth liquid instant is 2 tablespoons per gallon of water. Dr. Earth dry amendments or 2 tablespoons per gallon of soil. And I always mix in worm castings and micos in my dry amendments. But I haven't been putting extra worm castings and micos since I've been using this damn liquid. That was my bad. She got some worm castings and micos on in her top dress. In her pot now, waiting on a feed. And I'm gonna give it to her ass. I can't wait to get her out of here. I'm gonna have it's gonna be 10 plants in this sucker here for a minute. As soon as I get her whacked out, I'm gonna run 6 2-gallon pots of all my shit. Blue Dream, American Gangster, Caribbean Dream, Dream Rider, Fruit Cocktail. I'm missing something. What the hell was that? Blue Dream, American Gangster, Dream Rider, Caribbean Dream, Fruit Cocktail. Oh, help, I know. I'm going to have 6. If I got to, I'm going to pop me a Gorilla Glue number 4 in here. When I get the Dream Rider out of the 2x2, I am going to do a seed increase on GG number 4. Yeah. My fucking internet is whacked. I gotta do another mail call for Scotty. I was uploading that damn thing yesterday. I was getting pissed. I was like fucking 3 hours into a damn upload of something that takes me 10 minutes at the most. And I was getting a notification that my memory and all that shit, I need to clean my shit out. So I cleaned out a bunch of shit, including footage of fucking the upload I had going for Scotty's mail call. So I gotta do another mail call. Oh, I was fit to be tired yesterday, I'm gonna tell you. Trying to pay my damn bills online. No. I was steaming all day. And I got Mom on damn DVD now. Because of goddamn nothing to stay up long enough. Alright, I don't know where the hell I'm at now, so I'll come back to this. We'll jump over here and get a quick look at the Dream Rider. Gonna call it a fucking wrap. Okie dokie. Dream Rider is day 1 of week 12. Oh, day 1 of week 12. And I think I'm gonna finish the rest of all of this off cam, Grummies. I'm busy. Oh yeah, my crazy black girl. That was that one I couldn't think of. So we're gonna have 6. We're gonna be dancing with 6 of my ladies, and I'm gonna have 4 outdoor, my 4 outdoor picks in the 3x3 as well. Getting ready to get busy. Help! Appreciate you muchly. I'm out of here. Peace.